So we got this gun.
Yes.
Yesterday you were shooting that gun that had more padding.
Right.
This is less padding, so it's going to have a little bit more kick.
Okay.
Hopefully it won't take out your rowing arm.
Okay.
I got two. But I think you'll... Do you just go in a circle if you lose one?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to have safety on. I'm going to break the gun. I'm going to hand it to you that way.
Thank you. And then...
You can rack a gun.
And so then just go see how quick?
Straight to your...
Oh, that's already smoother, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
I think we got it. So today is graduation day.
Ooh.
Trust you with your own box of ammo.
Nice.
So load your pack. This is your graduation. You get your whole box.
These are rubber,
You're
right?
in charge. You're in charge. Is that chap? It's not in here. That chapstick's not in here.
That was amazing, and it was a real thing that happened. That a little fun moment I shared with myself that I wish you all would have witnessed.
So what I like to do.
I grabbed 2 shells, and one was watermelon chapstick, and the other was a tampon.
I gave it back to you.
Got the bunch. I'm looking forward to this moment. I'll have to ask Dad for bullets.
I wish you all would have witnessed.
Get the fake ones out now.
RB, come on. Come on. Boy, here comes the tank. Let's go. Come on.
Right, boy.
Let's hunt them up, RB. Hunt them up. Where's the birds? Rack your guns.
Oh, really? Because we're going to be going so fast.
We're going to be not too fast. He works close. And we're going to hold our line behind him. RB, here. There. Taking it. Yeah!
Edgar!
RB, hunt him up. Let's let him go get it for us. Dead. Over here.
That was awesome.
Oh, man.
Good follow-up.
High. That was a far shot.
It was like hard.
I saw a little puff, and I'm like, okay, I'm on it. I just lowered just a little bit more. And
You thought that. Oh my gosh.
It was such a high bird.
Yeah. It was crazy because it came from over here. I'm looking at you guys because he was talking, and suddenly it was over here.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Good shot.
Call him in.
RV, heel, heel.
Go on.
Come here. Heel. Heel.
Yep, he's gonna sit. Now tell him hold.
Hold. Hold.
Make him hold it.
Hold.
What that tells him is to stop rolling that bird in his mouth.
Okay. Hold.
Now reach down, grab it by the feet, and say drop.
Drop it. Drop.
Just drop.
Drop.
There you go. That's a soft-mouthed dog. If you look on the feathers, you know, if he's doing his job, that bird, that meat is not damaged at all. You better tell him good too now.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good job, RV. Good job, Edgar. That was so cool. That was awesome.
Come on, RV. Let's go, buddy. Find a bird down there's nothing we can do about it.
Good boy.
Come on. You ready to walk it again? So we're going to walk through that one more time, and then we're going to wheels up and move to a different part of the ranch.
Okay.
Get ready. No shot. Now. You got him. Uh-oh, here we go. Again, come on, let's walk in. Hey! No, it's not. I think something else is going to flush. Keep moving. Hilary, come up on this side. Hilary, now! Yes. Oh! Keep walking, Edgar. He's crafty, he'll catch it. Take it. There you go. Get it.
It's actually very cool to see from this angle because I can see the whole shot.
Okay.
That was very fast.
Okay, Hilary, come on.
Let's move.
Yeah.
Get on it.
Do it.
Bacon.
Oh,
do it. No.
Yes!
Get it?
I thought I saw one go down.
I unfortunately saw a feather. I don't think it was enough.
Sit, RV. Hilary, come with me. Edgar, go over here. These are gonna be doubles. Nope, sit. Good. You ready? Here we go. RV, hunt them up. Get ready, they're going this way. Do it, high one. Whoop, sit. Take it. Oh, you were right behind that bird. Good, right between them. Right. Take it. Oh!
Fuck!
It's just over and just under. It doesn't matter. You did the right thing. What do I want you to do differently? Faster.
Okay.
Boom. Just drop it.
Okay, got it.
Just don't even think. Just whack. We're gonna flush the bird out over that way. In between her nose direction, she's shifting. Come right through here. Ooh, this is looking good. Be ready. Right here, be ready.
Okay.
Whoa, now walk. Gun down, walk. Now! Yeah! There you go! Oh yeah, there is your bird.
Oh my God. It's wild. Thank you guys so much.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sally.
bird.
Okay.
You gotta get it.
Whew. That's heavy. That was teamwork too. Everybody was looking for this thing. Yeah.
And you know what? You got that bird.
Did I kill it dead or did she?
Oh yeah,
Okay, good.
you got it. You earned it. You earned that.
I
Every
would say
bit.
you guys did all the work. Yeah, everybody's patience and perseverance are so appreciated and does not go unfelt. So thank you so much.
Good job, Sally. Thank
Sally,
you, Sally.
my girl. Oh.
Now, let's go
Go have
fishing.
some lunch. Yeah, go fishing.
And go fishing.
So now can we go fishing? Yeah, totally.
Super stoked for your
I
bird.
saved my accuracy for live, Corey.
Yeah.
Because I missed all of
You
them.
missed-
I missed
Listen,
every
the past
clay.
2 times we've gone out, he's missed every single clay.
I got one, I got 2 when we came out for right for my birthday.
Yeah.
And I just killed a quail, my first quail, with 1 shot.
Yeah.
And I
He
couldn't
doesn't
even
want to
dare play.
waste the, good vibes.
Yeah. Live Corey only.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Put me in, coach. I don't need no warm up.
Dude, I mean, you killed it out there.
I don't think it could have gone any better, especially with you connecting.
Oh, I thought it was awesome. Yeah, it was a very good, memorable time for sure.
I've enjoyed both you guys being at the ranch. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Awesome.
Walk off into the sunset.